Please don't scroll. I'm just trying to become a big content creator one day, but I have no supporters. So if you have the chance, please subscribe.
In the back of my mind, you died, and I didn't even cry. No, not a single tear. And I'm sick of waiting.
Here's my spiced fish. That flat will go in. Are you complaining? Maybe your body has become like that, so
What is like?
you are getting the full pot. Never forget. This is my plate. You see my aftermath.